Okay, so this is my first video on this channel, so hopefully you like it. This is Scratch Tutorials, and today we are going to learn how to make a fishing game. Hopefully this goes well, because this is my first time actually recording something on the computer. I've never used it before. As you can see, I had this little tab open, because I did not know how to use it. Okay, so you do not have to do this stage. I just did it so you can see my little boat. So I just made a boat, named it Boat, and named the fish, called it Fish. I have two costumes for the fish. One that will be jumping out of the water, and one that will be in the water. So you can pause the video at any time. This should be good. So let's see. You're going to grab a one-click, go to 0, 0, and set rotation style to don't rotate. Then you want to get a forever loop, wait 0.01 seconds, and before that go to glide 1 second to 4, X is 4, Y is 0. Grab another one of those and do a 0, 0. You're going to duplicate that, and you're going to go to 4, 0, 0. It's sort of like, if you can see it, it sort of goes back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Sorry, there's music outside. It's a bit noisy, as you might say. So I'm going to make the bob a bit less. 5, not 6. So you can change the bob by changing the X values on these. Okay, that looks beautiful now. Okay, so now with the fish, select the fish by clicking on it. One click, it will hide, go to front layer, or should I say go backwards 99 layers, and then forever, it will wait, pick random, 0.8 to 1.8 seconds. Then go to control and grab a create clone of myself. Then when I start this clone, it will show, and it will go to, let's see, pick random. It will set X to 214. Oh wait, no, it will set X to pick random from 214. It will set Y to 191. Set X to minus 228 to 214. So now we want to get a repeat until block, and repeat until touching edge. Then it will delete the clone. It will move, let's say 5, 6 steps from now. Just try that out. Hello, fishy mates. Where is you? Oh, because it's touching the edge from the start. Yeah, that kind of seemed off. Instead of that, it's either this one or this one. Repeat until Y position is greater than, right here. Then it'll delete the clone. 192. 192. Okay, let's see about that. If they don't show up, then we know that's, yeah. If this does not work, then I know one more thing. Yep, there we go. Okay. So now we just want to do change x by 3. Let's try that. Okay. I meant, geez, I'm kind of nervous right now, so I'm not really. There we go. There we go. And it will switch costume to fish 2. Let's try that. There we go. So now, I just want to do like a blur effect. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if this will work, because it's already a clone, but hopefully it will work. I'm really hoping. So I'm just gonna grab something out of my backpack. Then I'll show you like what the code is for the backpack. So okay. So I don't really know if it'll register this, but hopefully it does. So when I start as clone, it will go to front layer, it will go backwards 7 layers, set ghost effect to 70, repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by 3, change what by 3. I don't know if this will work, because, yeah, that doesn't work. Okay. Sorry, that does not work. So just don't do that right now. Okay, good, it goes under the boat. So now we want the boat to be able to drive around. So we want to go to variables, make variable, and we'll call it x velocity. We'll make another one called y velocity. So what that is the x and y value. So when clicked, it will set x velocity and y velocity to 0, so it doesn't make any difficult things. Now we're going to grab another one clicked flag. Forever, it will change x by x velocity. There's a dog outside. If key up arrow pressed and if key down arrow pressed. So instead of this, I always forget this part, I'm sorry guys, it will be change y by y velocity. It will set, and the neighbors are having a party outside, so sorry about that, to 0.8 minus 0.8. Okay, it's working. So maybe 5 and minus 5. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, it's sort of changing, but we want it to be a bit less choppy. So instead of this, my goodness guys, I'm so sorry about this, but this is my first video. Bit shaky. I'm on my nerves right now. If key right arrow pressed, if key left arrow pressed, drag that out, put it right there. Then it will set x velocity, it might be change x velocity too. 0.8 minus 0.8. Then it will forever set x velocity the x velocity times 0.9. If this doesn't work, then it's definitely change. Yes, change. Sorry guys. I feel so bad right now. Change x velocity by 0.8. Okay, it's changing. So let's just drag that over there. You know what? I don't want to make it move. So let's just get that out of there. Get that out of there. Sorry, this is my first video. I'm really sorry. Okay, let's try this again. So, we are just going to go to the fish sprite. Let's just make sure that the fish delete when they get to the edge. Okay, that looks very smooth. Very surprised. So I'm just going to set the fish's size 15. That depends on how big your fish are. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, so with the boat, I think I might want to make it move up and down. Let's just not do the variables. Change y and change y by 3 minus 3. Up arrow, down arrow. As you might notice, some of the fish are not deleting. That's because of that code right there. That's I'm sort of hesitant about this because I don't really know what's happening with the fish anymore. Let's delete it at 170. Okay, let's try that. Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay, so that works. Now for the boat, we're just going to set size to 100 and it'll go to front layer. So now, if we click on a fish, then we want it to go out of the water and change money. So make a variable, call it money. When clicked, it will set money to 0. I'll just show the money for now. And grab another when I start as clone. Actually, when this sprite clicked, it will switch costume to fish. It will glide for 0.8 seconds to boat. Then it will delete clone. Oh yeah, and it will change money by 1. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, it's working. It's working. Yes, yes. Okay, it's working. It's working. Whew. That kind of scared me. Okay. So now, I'm just gonna add more fish. Actually, no. I want to improve the boat more. Ooh, I know. So, I'm just gonna make more costumes for the boat, and so I'm just gonna go to Google right now. This Mac is usually really slow. Google. There we go. Sailboat top view. Let's actually try cartoon. Sailboat top view. Load. Okay, images. It's so slow for some reason. It's probably the internet. AT&T. Sorry guys, I have to see this, but I have no idea how to pause it. That's a bit embarrassing. It's just that this internet's so slow. Okay, it's finally almost loading. Ooh, which assortment do I want? Here's the image. Okay. I'm gonna upload an image from scratch. Boats. Hold on. That's not what I wanted to do. Upload costume. There we go. Open. So the next level will be this boat. So I'm just gonna delete that. Delete that. Just so you know guys, you can skip ahead if I'm being really boring right now. The only reason I'm being boring right now is I do not know how to pause this video. So other videos will definitely be different, so I actually know how to pause. Sorry about this guys, but this is really annoying for me that you have to watch this too. I'm just going to clean up my design. Guys, if you want to skip this part, just skip it. I'm just cleaning up this design. You can skip this part, as I keep saying that. What I'm recording with is QuickTime. It's free, and it should be a really good app. So, let me just clean up my design here. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up for a later video. Off screen, because I don't want to bore you guys. So, boat 2, boat 1. So now you just want to center this boat. By doing that, there's a little crosshair right here. You want to get the middle of the boat to that crosshair to center it. Okay, it's still off. Oh, it's right there. Okay, that looks better. Okay. So now we want to, we just want to make an upgrading symbol. I'm just gonna make it a little button. Red. Gonna do a little blue arrow. Let's try this again. 20. I'm gonna put in some text saying like $20 to upgrade the boat. Make that bigger. So I'm just gonna put this down there. Gonna make the size smaller, so it's like this. Gonna put that right there. Okay, so do one click. It will go there. Instead of -5, it will be 0, so it's more centered. This game's actually really hard. There we go. Okay, so it still works. That's good. So no code is messing it up. Okay. So now it will show, go to front layer, set size to 25, and when this sprite clicked, if money equals 20, 20, then it will broadcast upgrade boat. So say that for now. Okay. Then when I receive upgrade boat, it will go to the next costume. Okay, well it works. Oh yeah, we want to do switch costume to boat 1. Okay, so now instead of this sign, be this sign. There we go. So since I do not have $20, I can't buy it. See, I'm clicking it and I cannot buy it. So yay. So now I'm gonna do if money is less than 20, it will say not enough money. It will say not enough money for 3 seconds. Not enough money. Okay, that is perfect. Neat. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna do more costumes. Like the next ship to upgrade will be $40. So instead of that, it will be and equals 1 1. Go to sensing. If boat, save now. Well, I'm saving the project. If cost number of boat equals 1, then it will do this. Here equals costume 1, it will switch to costume 1. Switch costume to 1, and it will go to the next costume. Not enough money. Okay, good. I'm gonna make these fish give you like maybe $5. Yeah, $5. So it's a bit easier. There we go. Okay, it's good. So now what we want to do, then it will set money to 0. So let's try that. This is going surprisingly well. I don't know why I'm double clicking. I just feel like it. Oh yeah. Right here, I'll switch to costume 1. Sorry about that. I'm not sure why I'm double clicking again. Okay, there we go. Now let's just make it say, then it'll wait 0.01 seconds for the slightest thing. For a bit more nostalgia. I have no idea what the word means, but it sounds cool. I'm missing all these fish. There we go. There we go. So now it does not say you need more money because we added this weight block. Okay. Now I'm going to add a new costume. So we're actually getting somewhere now. Okay. Oof. I'm going to have to do this big boy next. Wow, that's a really, really big boy. Okay. Again, you can skip this part because I'm not trying to pause this. Mom just did a sad face at me. Yeah. There we go. Oh, it actually looks cool. It looks like a shadow. I think I'm just going to erase this side. Because it looks like a shadow. It looks cool. Yeah, that looks cool. I don't think a lot of people will notice that that's a shadow. Oh, notice that. Okay, just gonna clean up the shadow. It's definitely a shadow. It's not anything else besides a shadow. That looks good. Okay. Boat 3. You can hear Brady in the background. Okay. So now we're just going to duplicate this to... Man, they are loud over there, if you can hear it or not. Change it to 40, set money to 0. Broadcast upgrade boat. They're loud. I'm going to say 100. Okay, so see if this works. Bah. No, I miss. I miss. How sad is that? If only this were a touchscreen. Okay, we need 40. We need 40 monies. Yeah, money. Give me that money. Money. No, money. Money. Need that money. Okay, $40. Okay, there we go. So now what we have to do, and it's like this because we have to center it now. Okay, see, it's off-centered. So now if we do that, there we go. Okay, so that's looking real good now. Oh, I cannot wait for this big finish. Whew. Okay, so I'm just gonna get another picture of a boat that's a lot more fancy, of course. No. Save image as. Shit. Scratch. I'm just saving these because these pictures will come in handy. This is going to be awesome. This could be a really good game. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Boat 4. Okay. I'm gonna do that bad boy over there. Cut off his nose. Now you can probably see which one I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna put this before that. $10. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this up. You can skip this part. People next door are really loud. I don't know if you can hear it, but they're really loud. The music's blaring or blaring. If Griff Patch is watching this, Griff Patch, please give me some tips. I need to know tips because you're so good. If you do not know who Griff Patch is, he is the best scratcher ever. So, yeah. He makes really good games. Sorry, I'm just chatting with you. I just erased this because I do not want to bore you. There we go. Okay, here we go. Oop, there's stuff up there. Okay, just gonna get a bigger eraser size. 30. Okay, I'm just gonna flip this. Okay, beautiful. Just gonna enlarge this. Okay, just gonna make this a bit smaller. Like that. Boom, boom, boom. Still a bit large. Sorry, I'm just so excited for this game. I'm just doing all the wrong sizes. Jeez. What is wrong with me today? Okay. Oh, I'm just very excited right now. Okay, we're just gonna duplicate this again. We're gonna make a new costume. This time, this will be $175. Doll hairs. 3. Well, no. 2. Okay, I see how it is. Okay. So now we want to switch these to 3. 80. 80. 80. Oh, oof, that's embarrassing. Okay, we want to set money to minus money minus 20, so it doesn't just get rid of all the money. So that's just like, what the heck, man? Why do you do this to me? Minus 40. Minus, I think it was 100 actually. Yeah, it's 100, not 80. Durr. Okay. See if this works. Get my fish. Nope. Get my fish. Get my fish. Fish. Okay, there we go. We'll fix the not enough money in a little bit. Okay. Collecting a whole lot of fish. Fish. Oh yeah, I can upgrade. Yep, and we have 5. Okay, so it's working. I just want to get the big boy. Don't worry, we will make more varieties of fish. So, oh, 40, duh. Oh. Let's see, so this is 40. Should be right. Let's try that again. Okay, let's raise it up. Okay. Wait, hold on. So I'm just going through all this testing. So I think I see something. It stays at 40. Okay. There's a dog next door. Instead of the switch costume to costume 2. Switch costume to costume 3. And this will switch costume to costume 4. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, I think I got it. Oh my goodness! Jeez, this game's actually hard. I don't have a mouse, I only have the touchpad. Okay. Okay, 100. Okay, good. Okay, it's doing what it's supposed to so far. Now, if it goes to 175, then I know it works. Oh my goodness, I'm just a fish killing maniac. I mean, I'm setting them free afterward. Definitely setting them free afterward. Finally missed a fish. Okay, 100 is when it starts getting hard. There it is! There it is! I like you now. Ha 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 ha! We have done it. Okay, so that is it for part 1 of this. I am really enjoying this game right now. So that's it for part 1. Bye. See you in the next part.